It's everyone's favorite time of year, tax season. Coinbase has some tools to help you out with taxes, but Coinbase Pro very much doesn't, and I don't know about you, but I don't really want to sift through a giant Excel file, crunch the numbers for hours, and then get backhanded by the IRS for screwing it up. So, they recommend a tool called Cointracker, and we're going to go through setting that up. First, take note that my portfolio is very much not worth hacking. Second, go to Wallets and click Add Wallet. When you click Wallet Type, you'll see a list of exchanges. Click Coinbase Pro. Now head back to Coinbase Pro and we'll get an API key. Click on your portfolio icon in the top right, then click API. On that page, click New API Key. Type in whatever API key nickname makes sense to you. Check the view box for permissions. Then copy your passphrase. Just paste that passphrase into Cointracker, then go back to Coinbase and click Create API Key. You'll have to do your two-step verification, which is good if you're doing something like creating an API key. This part's important. It'll only show you this secret once. If you just click through here, you'll have to make another API key, which isn't the end of the world, but you may as well just save the secret and not have to do that. Anyway, just paste this secret into Cointracker as your API secret. Once you click Done in Coinbase, you'll see that an API key has been created. Just copy that, and that'll be your last field in Cointracker. Once you submit it, it'll take a bit to process, but once it's done, you'll be able to see all sorts of information like your capital gains, and you'll even be able to generate whatever tax documents you need. Depending on how you're going about filing your taxes, you may need to fill in fields like sales and cost. What I found most helpful for that was the capital gains CSV. Then you can just do a quick summation of the proceeds and cost columns and you'll have your numbers. There are also options available for specific tax filing software. Anyway, hopefully this helped, and hopefully you didn't have to sell your moon Lambo to help cover your capital gains. Have a good one.